Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to Punjabi with Navrup. In today's lesson, we're going to cover some really useful basic words in Punjabi. These are words that you can use every single day when speaking Punjabi. So let's get started. First, we're going to learn how to say today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Today is aj. For example, today I am going to work. ਅੱਜ मैं काम ते जाना आ. Yesterday is कल. For example, yesterday I went to work. कल मैं काम ते गई सी. Tomorrow is also कल. For example, tomorrow I am going to work. कल मैं काम ते जाना आ. Or you can also use Kallu, but that's only for tomorrow. For example, Kallu main kam te jana hai. Now let's move on to day before yesterday and day after tomorrow. So day before yesterday is parson. Parson. For example, the day before yesterday I went to work. Parson main kam te gayi si. Moving on to day after tomorrow, which is also parson. For example, I'm going to work day after tomorrow. Parson main kam te jana hai. For masculine form, the sentences would sound like this. Today I am going to work. Aj main kam te jana hai. No change. Yesterday I went to work. Kal main kam te gaya si. So instead of gay, now you're saying gaya. Tomorrow I'm going to work. Kal main kam te jana hai. Or kal nu main kam te jana hai. Again, no change. Day before yesterday, parson main kam te gaya si. So instead of gay si, you're now using gaya si. And finally, day after tomorrow, parson main kam te jana hai. Let's go over it one more time, but this time we'll use days of the week. So today is actually Wednesday. So we're going to start with today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday, the day before yesterday was Monday, and then we're going to move on to tomorrow is Thursday, and the day after tomorrow is Friday. Aj budhwar a. Kal mangalwar si. परसों सोमवार सी. कल नूं वीरवार आ. परसों शुक्रवार आ. Now you can actually combine the action that you're doing with days of the week like this. If I was to say today is Wednesday and I'm going to work, you could say ਅੱਜ ਬੁੱਧਵਾਰ ਆ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਮੈਂ ਕੰਮ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਆ. Let's practice with another example, but this time we'll use masculine form. परसों सोमवार सी ते परसों मैं काम ते गया सी. Or you can drop the second परसों and just say परसों once. So it sounds something like this. परसों सोमवार सी ते मैं काम ते गया सी. So once you know your days of the week, you can actually combine them with the actions that you're doing and whether they were in the past, present, or future.